What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here. And guys, for the Bitcoin price and altcoin prices, let's take a look at the chart, because right now, guys, it's a case of emergency, especially because we are experiencing this double top structure, guys. I was at the pool a few minutes ago. I was chilling, relaxing at the pool, and then just came back to my office right now, guys, because I spotted this, guys. And last time I talked to you guys, I was explaining that there was a high probability that Bitcoin price would correct all the way back to the dragon, going down, and eventually all the way down to the 200 EMA right here, guys. But I was wrong. I was wrong because instead of doing that, price continued to go upwards. Also because it didn't break the 25 WGT, which is this white line here. So it didn't break that line downwards. And I told you guys that once it breaks downwards, there would be a probability that price would correct all the way back to the 50 EMA, which is this blue line with two bands here. It didn't happen, it never broke downwards. So what happened, guys, is that price continued to go up, and right now, exactly right now, guys, it's making this double top structure. So you see the previous high was here, and right now price is at the same level as the previous high, which makes this well, it turns out to become a double top structure, guys. So what happens after that? So if price manages to break this structure, guys, eventually you try to catch the actually there's nothing after that, right, guys? So there is nothing, because this was the historical high, so all-time high. So once it breaks that structure, it's going to form a new time high. Okay, so a new time high, like all-time high again. And as I always say, guys, the sky is the limit for this one, because you can see that. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So the weekly chart, guys, you can see that I wrote here, and I wrote to you guys this was already like a few months ago that I wrote this yellow line here. So eventually price, if it breaks this, you try to catch somewhere around 90,000, 90K. It's more likely that before that, guys, is going to reach 75, okay, 75K, which is a key level that a lot of people are talking about it. Like, honestly, I don't really know the fundamentals or the technical analysis why exactly 75. There must be a reason, but a lot of other traders are talking about 75 first before it reaches eventually 90K, 100K, especially 100K, because it's called a whole number, so it's a special number. When you look at the charts, like people who do technical analysis, they know that 100 is called a whole number, is a kind of a key level number. Okay, so but guys, 75K, we are looking at 75K. Before that, guys, I actually still believe in a correction back to the 50 EMA. Okay, so once it breaks, I still believe in a correction. And why am I saying this, guys? Because, okay, I know that you guys eventually, of course, you may take this with a grain of salt, because as I said, I always say to you guys, this is not financial advice. This is not financial recommendation of anything. It's not financial recommendation of buying anything or selling anything. It's just me showing you how I see the charts. Okay, my own personal views and my personal opinion. So guys, why am I saying this? Because last time on the daily chart, right? So if you look at the daily chart, guys, you can see the last time it made this new high here, price corrected all the way back to the dragon. Okay, so it corrected all the way back to the 50 EMA. So now, guys, that if price makes a new, let's say, price will make here a new high, it has to correct again back to the dragon at least, or the 200 EMA, which is more the one that is more, I think, has more probability would be a correction all the way to the 200. Also because for a long time, right, for a long time there was no correction back to the 200. So maybe after this new push up, make a new all-time high again. Okay, after that we'll correct to the dragon, and then once again to the 200 EMA. And why am I, guys, I'm saying this because if you look at the charts, you can see Okay, so last time it did that, guys, was really like here, guys. So last time it did this was the price was accumulating along the 200 EMA, was in September, end of September, guys. So after the end of September, price has never gone back to the 200 EMA. Okay, so that's why I'm saying there is a high probability that price will try to correct back to that level. Okay, let me know what you guys think. What do you think about the price? You think price of Bitcoin is going to correct, or is not going to correct anymore? It's just going to push out like higher and higher? What do you guys think? Okay, let me know, and hope to see you guys in a few hours. So stay green and goodbye.